Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 2 to 8, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay. Let us see, Capricorn. What's up? You have the Knight of Swords. I feel like someone wants to talk to you. Pero parang you are umiiwas ka. Oo. Umiiwas kang kausapin. You have the Seven of Swords. Someone who has disappointed you. So, itong tao na to, parang meron kang expectation sa kanya, but you feel betrayed. Ouch. You feel betrayed by this person. It's very disappointing for some of you. May iwas ka eh. Seven of Pentacles. You have a lot of expectations from this person. It seems na you're expecting this person na mag-deliver ng kung ano man yung ina-expect mo sa kanya. Oo, to deliver excellence. But this person might disappointed you. I also see some cheating here, no? Ito yung tipong hindi nagsabi ng totoo sa'yo. And hindi mo yun palalagpasin. Oo. Kahit na itong taong to is nagkakandara pa na kausapin ka, ayusin yung issue, yung problema, it's like, no, umiiwas ka. What is the Knight of Swords? The Tower. I feel like pakiramdam mo tapos na yung connection mo sa taong to. At wala tong pwedeng magawa para maayos yung kung ano yung meron kayo before. What is the Seven of Pentacles? You bear grudge, Capricorn. You have the Page of Cups. This person might be, parang nagre-reach out sa'yo saying sorry, or inaamo ka, trying to pursue you. But it seems na merong trust na nasira dito. The Fool, yes. With the Fool card, I feel like, parang, yun nga, niloko. Alam mo yung pinagmukha kang TANGA, ganon. And, no, for you, you don't want to take that. You're not taking that. What is the Seven of Pentacles? Ten of Wands. I feel like, you have been giving all your efforts, your energy in this relationship, in this situation. Pero all you got was disappointment and betrayal. So, for you, alam mo sa sarili mo that you don't deserve it. You don't deserve it. Kaya, ano man yung way ng tao na to na humingi ng sorry or try to fix it, it seems like you don't wanna deal with it. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi sinasabi. na you're done with them, but you are cold to them, no? Hindi mo pinapansin or wala, as in cold treatment. What else? Page of Wands, the High Priestess, and the Star. I feel like you're going to start something new in your life. Something na para sa iyo lang, para sa sarili mo lang, para sa pangarap mo lang. Some of you here, Capricorn, are done with the BS. Can be sa career mo, pwedeng may mga pangako sa'yo yung boss mo or yung company ninyo na after a few years or a certain amount of time, you will get promoted or may salary increase ka or you will have a better position sa work, pero parang pinapaasa ka lang. So, for you, you're done with it. You're done with it. And I feel like you are going to just leave that situation and try or pursue other things for your goals and for your dreams. Because you know who you are, you know what you are capable of. Alam mo kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. And if this is a relationship, it seems kasi na you were taken advantage of the people na you've been giving service to. Yung pinagsisilbihan mo na mga mahal mo sa buhay, you feel like you're being betrayed or parang they want more or hindi ka binavalue. Message in a bottle. I feel like you are keeping your thoughts. Parang tinatago mo yung nararamdaman mo, yung gusto mong sabihin. Parang nilulunod mo siya sa emotions mo. May mga unexpressed feelings dito na sinasarili mo lang. Time for a nap. Some of you maaring nahihirapang makakuha ng maayos na tulog because of thinking ng mga, iniisip mo yung mga bagay na nangyari na paano nagawa sa'yo yun after all of your efforts, your sacrifices, yung love na binigay mo, and then wala, it was just taken for granted. So the universe is asking you to take a rest. Magbakasyon ka, mag-relax, matulog. Number 6 is very evident dito. 6 is about balance, bringing balance into your life. You need more me time and your connection to your spirituality, to your higher self. There's Venus in Sagittarius in the 9th house. 9th house is about seeking. Yung can be travel, exploration. So I feel like you need to explore, or you will be exploring other opportunities with what you love. So pwedeng iba sa inyo, you might be meeting people through your travel or connections with other friends. You have Saturn in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Fulfillment. Alam nyo, darating yung panahon na makukuha mo yung dinideserve mo. Yung rewards ng mga pinagpaguran mo, ng mga trinabaho mo, yung efforts mo. Kailangan mo lang maging patient. All of your efforts will be rewarded. Okay? Let's see what else. For your money, career, choices, marami raw opportunities for you, waiting for you. Don't doubt yourself. Trust your instinct, okay? Trust your instinct in choosing the best possible decision. You might need to rethink. Kaya nga yung iba sa inyo, you're spending more time with yourself, reassessing the situation, pinag-iisipan mo. Sa love naman, honesty. O, napaka-importante sa yung honesty. Pagiging totoo sa relationship. So, pwedeng ito yung isa na sa naging issue sa relationship ninyo. Bakit you are trying to question if you still deserve, if you deserve this relationship, or if that person still deserves your love and your care. Mhm. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.